Hello and welcome to one more Tech Tip Tuesday video. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate your SolidWorks Network License Manager from one network or one server to another server. Before we start this process, if you are using PDM or PDM is installed in your environment, then please get in touch with one of our experienced tech team member before you start your migration process. Also, make sure to check your SolidWorks system requirements. Before you start your migration process, make sure your server is matching all the requirements. To reduce the downtime for all the designers, you can download and install SolidWorks License Manager server on your server components. Once it's installed on your new server, make sure to not activate your licenses at this moment. I'll repeat, do not activate your licenses at this moment. Once installation is complete, we'll go to our old server. We will search for server. So over here, you have Solid Network License Manager server here, 2021. Over here, before you stop and modify your installation or license information, we'll go to license usage. Over here, make sure all the licenses are returned. Also, if any license is borrowed by any user, please ask them to return the licenses. Once all the licenses are back, we'll go to our server administration. We will stop the license server. Next, we'll go to modify. Over here, we'll select move your product licenses to a new/upgraded computer. Select all your product, add your email ID and click next here. It will take some time because it is releasing all your licenses here. Once it's done, let's finish and close the license server. From your new server where you have installed your SolidWorks License Manager, we'll again search for server. Open this License Manager server version, click yes. Over here, it will ask you to activate all your serial numbers. So you can select yes here. Over here, it will give you, or it will show you your new server name. Also the port numbers. I'll select next. Select all your products, add your email ID next here. Again, it will confirm from SolidWorks. Once it's done, you'll get all your licenses are here. Finish. It will load this, and as you can see, your license server is already up and running. Now, from your server list, make sure to share this detail, exact same detail starting with 25734, then @ and your server name. Make sure to share this detail with your clients. Thank you and see you in next Tech Tip Tuesday video. Stay safe.